Sometimes it's really fun to accessorize your outfit with a belt. And I'm not talking about the hard belt like this that you'd wrap fabric around. I'm talking about something fun like this, a braided belt, or just something that's softer along the waistline. Very easy to make. So for these loops here, you need a strip of fabric. This is 2.5 inches wide. And then for the other belt, it doesn't matter how wide it is, but you're just gonna have a piece of fabric, no interfacing or anything like that. So let's start with this one, 2 inches. I'm just gonna, with right sides together, I'm going to stitch this. I'm using a shorter strip here just because I think you'll get the idea real quickly. However wide you want the belt. The wider the belt, the easier it is to turn around, but just gonna stitch this. And the trick here is this little loop turner, push it all the way through. And it's like a crochet hook. I love these little things. And you have to embed the crochet hook just a little bit into the edge, just like that, and pull. And basically it just brings your entire belt to the right side. However long it is, doesn't matter. There you go. And that's how I did the one behind me. I just ran a bunch of strips through a brass ring and braided it. Some easy ways to accentuate your outfits.